What's up guys, it's Sanaa, your half-sand princess, and I am back with another reaction video. Today I am here with Kale. Hi everyone! And today we are going to be reacting to SFM Perfect Cell's Kitchen by Devil Artemis. And so without further ado, let's get this video started in 3, 2, 1, go!
My name is Perfect Cell, and I run the best restaurant in West City.
Really?
Cell's Kitchen, baby.
Is he a great boss? Yeah. He's always there to boost the entire team's morale.
You're fucking worthless! Your food tastes like shit! Yeah, I try to keep an organized kitchen. Whenever we need something, I make sure that everyone is on the same page. Where the fuck is the lamb sauce?
Right here, Chef.
That looks like shit!
I figured you'd say that, Chef, so I made a second batch just in case.
That looks like shit too!
Yeah, I don't think Cell likes shallot.
I don't know what it is. It's just something about his face that makes me want to fucking kill it, you know? He has a stupid, killable face.
Cell? I mean, I think he's a good boss. He just wants to get the food out in time. I get it. I know secretly that he loves everyone and just wants the best for the crew.
I hate them all and I hope they die.
Whoa. Jesus Christ. Well, this is a really amazing video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Later!